National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western George County in southeast Mississippi, southwestern Greene County in southeast Mississippi, southern Perry County in southeast Mississippi, Stone County in southeast Mississippi, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds over 60 miles per hour were located along a line extending from 13 miles northwest of Loosedale to 15 miles west of Wiggins, and moving south at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Wiggins, Perkinston, McHenry. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2 o'clock a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday morning for southwestern Alabama and southeast Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Mississippi: George and Stone,